Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about some models in complex numbers. The first one is the students. The Z1 is given that -1. This is a purely real. So students, the Z1 can be written as -1 plus I into 0. Dear students, its modulus is the 1. So now this can be written in the polar form. So students, the Z1, this is the cos of 180 plus I sin 180, cos theta plus I sin theta. What is the students? Cos theta plus I sin theta. So student, theta is the pi. So we can written as the argument of Z1 equal to pi. What is the students? Argument of Z1 is the pi. So after that students, the Z2 is the I. This is the purely imaginary. Z2 is the students I. Therefore this is purely imaginary. So student, this can be written as Z2 equal to 0 plus I into 1. So students, 0 is the value of cos 90 plus 1 is the value of sin 90. This is in the formula of cos theta plus I sin theta. So cos theta plus I sin theta. Therefore students, theta is the argument of Z2 or amplitude of Z2. That is pi by 2. So students, what is the first question is argument of Z1 into Z2. What is, we know that argument of Z1 into Z2 is the students argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2. This is the students argument of Z1 is the pi plus pi by 2. 2 pi plus pi is the students 3 pi by 2. After that students, the second question is there argument of Z1 by Z2. Argument of Z1 by Z2. So students, this is, we know that argument of Z1 minus of argument of Z2. So students, the argument of Z1, what is the argument of Z1 is the pi. Argument of Z2 is the pi by 2. Pi minus pi by 2 is the pi by 2. What is the students? Pi minus pi by 2 is the pi by 2. So this is the first question. Students, the second question is argument of Z1 bar is given that pi by 5 and argument of Z2 is the pi by 3. Then find argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2. Okay students, so the argument of Z1 bar is given that pi by 5. So students, we are taken as the argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2. So students, the conjugate of the Z1 bar is given that pi by 5. Therefore argument of Z1 is the students minus of pi by 5. Argument of Z2 is the students pi by 3. So students, LCM is the 15. What is the students? LCM is the 15. This is the students minus of 3 pi plus 5 pi. 5 pi minus 3 pi is the students 2 pi. So students, 2 pi by 15. 5 pi minus 3 pi, that is the 2 pi by 15. Okay students, this is 5 pi minus 3 pi, 2 pi by 15. So students, if Z equal to x plus iy, what is the students? The Z equal to x plus iy. Then find the locus of Z. There are 4 questions are there. These are quite simple students. The first question, mod Z equal to 1. Z is given that x plus iy. So student, this is x square plus y square is the mod. So students, squaring on both sides. After that students, x square plus y square equal to 1. This is the locus of z. Now second one students, what is given that z minus 2 plus 3i equal to 4. Z is that x plus iy minus 2 plus 3i equal to 4. What is the real part? X minus 2. Imaginary part y plus 3 equal to 4. Now this is the students a square x minus 2 whole square y plus 3 whole square equal to 4. So squaring on both sides. This is the students, when you can squaring on both sides. This is x minus 2 whole square y plus 3 whole square equal to 16. So students, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y, 9 plus 4 13, 13 minus 16 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay student, this is the locus of z. After that students, question number 3. Imaginary part of z square equal to 4. Imaginary part of x plus iy whole square equal to 4. Imaginary part of x plus iy whole square. Imaginary part of a square. B square is minus y square. I square value is the minus 1. So 2ab, that is the students 2ixy equal to 4. Imaginary part is the coefficient of I. The imaginary part of here, this is the 2xy equal to 4. xy equal to 2. Okay students. Now the question number 4. That is z minus 2. Modulus of z minus 2 into modulus of z minus 1. This is the students x plus y minus 2. 2 into x plus iy minus 1. So student, this is x minus 2 plus iy equal to 2 into x minus 1 plus iy. So students, how is it? It is root of x minus 2 whole square plus y square. This is under root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square. Now students, squaring on both sides. How to write the squaring on both sides? This is, dear students, when you can squaring on both sides, x minus 2 whole square plus y square, 4 into x minus 1 whole square plus y square. This is the students x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 1. 4x square minus x square is the students 3x square, 3y square minus 8x plus 4x, that is the students minus of 4x. This is minus 8x plus 4x is the minus of 4x. After that 4 cancel. Okay, this is the 4. 4 minus 4 is the 0. 3x square plus 3y square minus 4x equal to 0. Is it clear students? These are the locus of z. The locus of z is, this is also circle, this is also circle, this is also circle, this is the rectangular hyperbola. Okay students. So students, so that the points in the organ diagram represented by the complex numbers. So yesterday students, in the previous class we discussed about the complex number. the geometrical representation of the complex number. Suppose the x plus iy in the organed plane is the x comma y. So students, the given complex numbers in the organed plane, the given complex numbers, in the organed diagram, the given complex numbers, dear students, in the organed diagram, those are 5 comma minus 5, that is the point A. Point B is the students 1 comma 3. Point C is the students 1 comma minus 3. 5 comma minus 5, 1 comma 3, 4 comma minus 3. So dear students, so that same line means collinear. The points are, now we saw that collinear. Collinear means slopes are equal or the area of the triangle ABC 0. So students, first we find the slope of AB. The slope of AB is the y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is the students 3 minus of minus plus. 3 plus 5 is the 8. Upon 1 minus 5 is the minus 4. This is the students minus 2. Now students, the slope of BC. The slope of BC equal to, how to write the students? Minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3. 4 minus 1. This is minus 6 by 3. This is the students minus 2. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. What is the students? Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Therefore students, when it is the slope of AB equal to slope of BC, therefore dear students, slope of AB and slope of BC are equal. Then you can write A comma B comma C are collinear. A comma B comma C are collinear. What is the students? A comma B comma C are collinear. Okay students, A, B, C, the points A comma B comma C are collinear. So when the slope of AB, slope of BC are equal, simply we said that A, B, C are the collinear points. Okay students. So students, first we find Z1, Z2, Z3 are given that. Then find the argument of Z2, Z3, Z1. So student, this is argument of Z2, Z3, argument of Z1. So students, argument of Z2, argument of Z3 minus argument of Z1. So students, argument of Z2, Z3 by Z1, argument of Z2, Z3 minus argument of Z1. So argument of Z2, Z3 is the students argument of Z2 plus argument of Z3 minus argument of Z1. So students, this is Z1 is the students 1 plus root 3i. So students, the Z1 equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus root of 3 by 2i. So students, how can you write this? Is 1 by 2 is the students is the value of 1 by 2 is the value of cos of 60 I sin pi by 3. Cos 60 plus I sin 60. So dear students, what is this one? Argument of Z1 is the students pi by 3. So after then students, the polar form of Z2 students root 3 plus I This can be written as root 3 by 2 plus I by 2. 2 into cos of 30 degrees I sin 30 degrees. So students, argument of Z2 equal to 30 degrees. What is the students? Argument of Z2 is the 30 degrees. Now students, the Z3, how can you write the Z3? Minus 1 plus I. What is the student? Z3 is the minus 1 plus I. So students, the Z3 equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus I by 2. That is the students minus of cos pi by 3. Sorry students, what is the modulus? Root of 2. This is students, we know that 1 by root 2 is the cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Are you understand student? Modulus is the root of minus 1 square plus 1 square. That is root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So student, this is, we can written as x is negative, y is positive in second quadrant. So student, this can be written as cos of pi minus theta minus cos theta, sin of pi minus theta. What is the students? Cos of pi minus theta minus cos theta. Sin of pi minus theta sin theta. In second quadrant, sin is positive. So student, this is 2 into cos of 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. This is I sin 3 pi by 4. What is the students? 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. This is also 3 pi by 4. So students, argument of Z3 equal to 3 pi by 4. What is the students? Argument of Z3 is the 3 pi by 4. Z1 is the pi by 3. Z2 is the pi by 6. Z3 is the 3 pi by 4. So students, argument of Z2 is pi by 6. Argument of Z3 is the students 3 pi by 4. Argument of Z2 is the students pi by 6. So students, what is the here? Argument of, this is the pi by 6. What is the student? Just Z2 is the pi by 6. Z3 is the 3 pi by 4. Z1 is the pi by 3. So students, LCM is the 12. 6 2s are, that is a 2 pi. 4 3s are, 3 into 3 is the 9 pi. Minus 3 4s are, that is a 4 pi. So students, how can you write this is the students 11 pi. What is the students? 11 pi minus 4 pi by 12. This is the students 7 pi by 12 is the answer. So the argument of Z2 into Z3 by Z1 is the students 7 pi by 12. Okay students, 7 pi by 12. So students, 5Z2 by 11Z1 is the purely imaginary. So students, the 5Z2 by 11Z1 is a purely imaginary. That means we are taking I, purely imaginary, that means IRKI. So students, the Z2 by, what is the students? How can you write this is Z2 by Z1 equal to 11K by 5 into I. What is the students? 11K by 5 into I. So now students, how can you write this is? Dear students, this is the Z2 by Z1. So the Z2 also we can written as the students 11K by 5 Z1 into I. This is the value of Z2. Now students, 2 into Z1, 3Z2, 2Z1 minus 3Z2. This is the left hand side. What is the students Z2, 2Z1, 3 into Z2. 3 into Z2 is the students 3 11s are is the 33. What is the students? 3 into Z3 11s are 33k by 5. What is the student? Z2, that is the 33k by 5. Z1I. After then students 2Z1 minus similarly 33k by 5 Z1I. So students, what we are taking here, the mod Z1 is the common, that is mod Z1. So dear students, 5 2s are 10, 33, 33ki. Okay students, this is the modulus. After then students, how can you write this is modulus of Z1? 5 2s are is the 10 minus 33ki. So students, these two are cancelled. Now how can you write this is the students 133k whole square under root of, this is also students 100 minus of 33k whole square. So students, these are same, minus square is the plus. So dear students, these two are cancelled, we got 1. That is the students right hand side. So when it is the purely imaginary, then its modulus value equal to 1. Okay students. So students, this is also students very important one, so that the points represented by complex numbers are form a square. Square means students all sides are equal and diagonals are equal. This is the point A, B, C, D. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, and the diagonals also equal. Then the given points form a square. And all sides equal, diagonals are not equal, then it is called rhombus. Opposite sides equal and diagonals are equal, then it is called rectangle. Opposite sides equal and diagonals are not equal, then it is parallelogram. Okay students, all sides equal, diagonals are equal, then it is called square. All sides equal and diagonals are not equal, rhombus. Opposite sides equal and diagonals are equal, that is rectangle. After then opposite sides equal and diagonals are not equal, then it is parallelogram. So students, the given points in the first, you can simplify this one, 6 plus 8i by 2. This is the students 3 plus 4i. How to write this is 3 plus 4i. So students, is there 21 plus 3i into 1 plus I upon 2. First we have to multiply with 1. 21 plus 3i. So now this is the students 21i minus 3 upon 2. So students, 21 minus 3. 21 minus 3 is the 18. So this is the students 24i by 2. 9 plus 12i. What is the students? 9 plus 12i. So students, the minus of 36 plus 2i by 1 plus I whole square minus 36 plus 2i upon a square b square plus 2ab. A square is the 1, b square is the I square, 2ab is the 2i, I square is the minus 1, these are cancelled. Now minus 36 plus 2i by 2i. So students, how can you write this is minus of 18 plus I by I. That is, we have to multiply with by I. Okay students, now this is I into I minus 18i. I into I is the I square is the minus 1. This is also minus 1. So students, 1 plus 18i. After then students is there minus 15 plus 5i by 1 plus I. This is the students 1 minus I by 1 minus I. Students first multiple with 1, that is minus 15 plus 5i. So after then students we are all multiple with minus I. Minus plus 15i. After then students minus 5i square. I square is the minus 1. Minus of minus plus 5. Whole by students a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square is the 1. Minus b square is the I square. So students minus 15 plus 5 is the minus 10. 15i plus 5i is the students 20i. After then students I square is the minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1. This is the 2. So students minus 5 plus 10i. What is the students? 2 5s are 2 10s are. So students the given complex numbers in the organed diagram. Okay student, the given complex numbers in the organed diagram. So the given complex numbers in the organed diagram we can written as the A is the given complex numbers represented by in the organed plane. In the organed diagram, what is the students? Organed diagram or plane. The given complex numbers in the organed plane, then it will be the students. A is the 3 plus 4i is there, that is 3 comma 4. Point B is the students, this is 9 comma 12. Point C is the students 1 comma 18. Point D is the students minus 5 comma 10. First all of you first find the distance of AB. The distance of AB. AB is the students 9 minus 3, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. 9 minus 3, that is 636. After then 12 minus 4, 8. 8 square is the 64. That is root of 100. That is 10. Okay students, now find AB, BC. BC is the students 9 minus 1, 8. 8 square is the 64. After that 12 minus 18 minus 6 square is the 36. So students this is also root over 100, that is 10. After then CD. How to find the student CD? 1 minus of minus plus 5, 6. 6 square is the 36. After then 18 minus 10 is the 8. 8 square is the student 64. So student this is also 100, that will be the 10. AB, BC, CD, DA. DA can be written as the students. DA can be written as 3 plus 5, that is 8. 8 is the student 64. After then 4 minus 10 is the minus 6. That is the minus 6 whole square is the students 36. That is root over 100. This is a 10. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. What is the students? AB, all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All sides are equal. Okay students. Now find the diagonal AC. This is the students AC. How to find the diagonal AC? AC is the students 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 all square is the students 4. 3 minus 1 all square 2. 2 square is the 4. After that students 18 minus 4 is the 4. 4 square 18 minus 4 is the 14. 14 square is the students 196. This is the students root of 200. So students BD can be written as, how to write the BD? 9 minus of minus plus. 9 plus 5 is the 14. 14 square is the students 196. After that, this is the students 14. So the 12 minus 10 is the 2. 2 square is the 4. So students, this is also root of 200. Therefore students, AC equal to BD. What is the students? Diagonals are equal and all sides are equal. So the given points form a square. Therefore the given points form a square. Therefore the given points form a square. Hence proved. The given complex numbers form a square in the organoid diagram. We can write hence proved. Okay students. So dear student, first you can simplify the given complex number. First all of you listen here. We can write a plus ib form. This is also a plus ib. This is also a plus ib. This is also a plus ib. When you can observe the given complex numbers are in the a plus ib, the given complex numbers in the organoid diagram or the organoid plane, undoubtedly dear students, organoid diagram. So dear students, organoid plane or organoid diagram we can written as 3 4 order pairs 3 4 9 12 118 minus 5 10. So after that we have to find the distance between the 2 points, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We have to find distance AB, BC, CD, DA. Then also find the diagonals AC and BD, those are also equal. Therefore given complex number form a square, hence proof. Okay students. So students, z equal to x plus iy is given that amplitude of z minus 2 by z minus 6i is the 90. Then find the locus of z. So students, how can you write the students? This is, so amplitude of z minus 2 by z minus 6i is the 90. First all of you, amplitude means argument. Z minus 2 by z minus 6i is given that. First you have to simplification of this one. Z minus 2 by z minus 6i. Z is the students x plus iy by minus 2. This is also x plus iy minus 6i. So students, how can you write this is x minus 2 is the real part iy. So this is the students I into y minus 6. Okay students, now this can be written as x minus of I into y minus 6. X minus of I into y minus 6. So students, how can you write this is? First we have to multiply with x. X into x minus 2. Okay students. After that this is I into xy. Then students, now this is minus of I into x minus 2 into y minus 6. I square value is the minus. What is the students? I square value is the minus. Minus minus plus y into y minus 6 upon a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. A square is the students x square minus b square is I square is the minus, that is a plus. We can written as this is y minus 6 whole square. A square is x square minus of I square, that is a plus y minus 6 whole square. What is the students? The real part is x into x minus 2 plus y into y minus 6 upon x square y minus 6 whole square. Imaginary part I is the students xy minus of x minus 2 y minus 6 upon is there x square y minus 6 whole square. So students, the argument is given that amplitude is given that Suppose students z equal to a plus ib is there. Argument of z is the students, suppose is given that 90. Argument of z is the students, or amplitude of z. Amplitude of z is tan inverse of b by a equal to 90. So b by a is the students complete part, this one by this one. So students, how can you write this one by this one? These two are cancelled. So this is complete one, this is b, this is a. This is we have to compare with a plus b. What is the students? Let a plus b. This is the b, this is the a. B by a. So students, b by a. B is the xy minus of x minus 2 into y minus 6. What is the students? X minus 2 into y minus 6. Okay. Upon a is the students is there, x into x minus 2, y into what is there, y minus 6 equal to tan of 90. The tan inverse is the students tan 90, that is infinity. Infinity means 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0, anyone. So students, this is must be greater than or equal to, greater than 0. This is must be 0, 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0. So students, after you can written as this is x into x minus 2, y into y minus 6 must be 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y. What is the students? X square plus y square. Undoubtedly students, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y is 0. This is must be 0. After cross multiplication, this is 0. This is the students n, and what is the student is there, and the numerator part xy minus of x minus 2 into y minus 6 must be greater than 0. What is the student is there? Greater than 0. So students, how to write this is xy. So this is minus of x into y xy. This is minus 2y. So students, this is minus 6x, minus of 6x plus 12 greater than 0. xy cancel. This is the students minus of minus plus 6x plus 2y minus 12 greater than 0. Now divided by 2. This is 3x plus y minus 6 greater than 0. 3x, what is the students? 3x plus y minus 6 must be. This can be written as 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0. So students, how can you write this is? This is must be greater than 0. This is equal to 0. So students, this is the solution. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y 0, and 3x plus y minus 6 greater than 0. Okay students? How to write the student? Z equal to x plus iy is there. Amplitude means argument of. So first you can simplify this complex number. What is z is given by x plus iy minus 2, x plus iy minus 6. So student, real part is the x minus 2, imaginary part is there y minus 6. Now the rationalization. So is there plus sign, we are taking minus sign. First we have to multiply with x into x minus 2 ixy. After then students, the minus I into x minus 2 into y minus 6, iy into this one minus I square is the plus, y into y minus 6. A plus b into a minus b, a square is x square, b square is the minus I square is the plus. So dear students, the real part is first and last is there. Real part by denominator, imaginary part by denominator. Dear students, let z equal to a plus b. Suppose the amplitude of z is given that, what is the amplitude of? So the amplitude, what is the students? The amplitude of, just 1 minute students, the z equal to a plus ib, then the amplitude of Z is tan inverse of B by A. So dear students, given that the amplitude of Z minus 2 by Z minus 6I, what is the students? Amplitude of Z minus 2 by Z minus 6I is given that pi by 2. So students, this is the formula students, tan inverse of, this is the formula, tan inverse of this one by this one. So dear students, this will be written as tan inverse of, in the next step, tan inverse of, we can written as that tan inverse of B by A equal to 90. B is the students, this part is the B, this part is the A. B by A, therefore these two are cancelled. B by A, tan inverse standing at the side, tan 90 is the infinity, 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0. Undoubtedly, dear students, this is must be students, 1 by, here is given that plus 90, undoubtedly that is the students 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0. While it is given that minus 90, that is minus 1 by 0, minus 2 by 0, minus 3 by 0. Okay students, so must be, this is undoubtedly cross multiplication, we can got this is first 0, this is must be greater than 0. That's why students, the locus of Z is the x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y 0 and 3x plus y minus 6 greater than 0. Okay students, this is today. All of you practice this video. Okay, thank you all.